Welcome to this easy step-by-step tutorial on Renderforest AI video generator. In this video, I'll show you how to create a video using AI quickly and effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to renderforest.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. You can log in using your email and password, or simply click the Google button. I'll go ahead and sign in using my Google account. Once you're signed in, look for the Generate AI Video button on the homepage and click it. A new screen will open with a text box titled, "Let's create your AI video." Here you can either type your own video script or click the Inspire Me button to auto-generate a script. I'll click on the Inspire Me button. Once the script appears, click on the Next button. Now pick the type of video you want to generate. You can choose either animated or realistic. I'll select animated for this video. Next, keep the language setting to auto-detected. For voice, leave it as AI choice. Set the screen size to 16 by 9. And for the style, let's keep it as AI choice by default. Now click on the Generate button to start creating your video. Wait a few moments while Renderforest processes your request. Once the video is ready, click the play button to watch a preview.
Meet Sarah, a business owner. A cyber attack compromised her business data, leaving her in panic. Then she found our company. We offer 24/7 monitoring, real-time threat detection, and
If you're happy with the result, click the Download button to save the video to your computer. And that's it. Your AI-generated video is now complete and ready to use.
Meet Sarah, a business owner. A cyber attack compromised her business data, leaving her in panic. Then she found our company. We offer 24/7 monitoring, real-time threat detection, and protection. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your business today.
If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.